Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna deepen our understanding in adjusting entries on how to journalize the adjusting entries. And before we proceed to uh, the step 6 of the accounting cycle, let us first answer these small problems. For this small problems from letter A to G. So basically ako na siya gi-answeran. As you can see na siya answer, there's a letter C, but let me first explain this to you so that you may understand this problem. Okay, so let us first read. Okay, prepare the adjusting entry for Christine Gamba cargo under each of the following for the end of December 31, 2018. So, okay, it is a year end. It is the accounting period of the company or firm, Christine Gamba Cargo. Okay, let us highlight this one, December 31. So, before reading or before answering the problem, you must first highlight which when the company started or when the company ended their transaction. So for this, it is for year end. Year end. So these are the adjusting entries. So by the way, nag-a-adjust ang isa ka company or kuan sila adjusting at the end of the period or in the next year. So maybe di ba December 31. So on January 1, 2019, dara na magsulod ang adjusting sa company. So okay. First, let's answer letter A. So letter A, paid 24,000 for a 1 year. So it means it is a prepaid. Prepaid kasi advance payment. Prepaid, for a 1 year fire insurance policy to commence on September 1, the amount of premium was debited to prepaid insurance. So it is a fire insurance, and basically it is accounted. The account title for this is prepaid insurance. So on September 1 siya nag-acquire ba September 1 and nag-end siya December 31, 2018, and therefore it is already an expense. So okay, anyway, by the way, do not forget to bring your calculator, at the same time your ball pen or your pencil or your bond paper, or just simply bring yellow paper, any kind of paper. Okay, so on letter A, it is 24. So 1 year nagbayad siya og 24,000. So 24,000. So 24,000. So always count the months. So if ever nag-start siya sa September 1, November 1, as long as nag-start siya sa 1, kailangan nimo siya mag-count ka from the month, from the first month siya nag-occur. So September 1, September, October, November, December. Okay, so 4 months siya. If ever na September 30 siya, mag-count ka on October ka mag-start og count instead na September. Kay pa-end naman ang September na month, kay 30 man siya, diba? So okay, September was 4 months siya, diba? 4 months, so i-times na siya 4 divided by 12. Ngano gani? 4 months is, diba, from September to December. Kay dra man siya nag-acquire on September 1, and on December 30, 2018, nahimo na siyang expense. Therefore, dili na siya prepaid insurance. Kay na-expired naman iyahang pag-acquire sa premium insurance. So, nahimo na siyang expense. And ganun divide mo na to siya sa 12 because nag-acquire siya on 1 year. And 1 year consists of 12 months. So, 24 again, 24,000. Yan nabaran for 1 year, 24,000. 24,000 times 4. 4 means the 4 months, September to December, divided by 12 or 12 because of 1 year. 1. So, 8,000. So, therefore, we debited insurance expense. So, natay insurance expense and credited prepaid insurance. $8,000 and 8,000. Te, nganong gi-debit man nimo ang prepaid gi-credit man nimo ang prepaid insurance na ihamang normal balance is debit. Okay, balik ta ha. On December 31, nag-expired na iyahang prepaid insurance. So therefore, i-deduct ang okay, so nagyaw-yaw ko na tapos na-stop ay siya kay wala na ko ay available nga gigabytes sa ko ang cellphone. Okay, so balik ta no on letter A, prepaid insurance. Again, ang prepaid insurance is i-deduct siya sa 24,000 since nahimo naman siyang expense at the end of December 31, 2018. Okay. On letter B, I borrowed 100,000 by issuing a 1 year. Again, 1 year na sad siya. A 1 year note meaning it is a notes payable. It is a notes payable for 1 year or bayaran lang siya within 1 year. Nothing more than a year. It's just a 1 year note. With 7% annual interest to Century Savings Bank on October 1, 2018. Okay, so nangutang siya on October 1, 2018. So let's count again. October, November, December. So it is 3 months na. So naa siya interest expense. At walang ginakuha diri is ang interest expense. At the same time, iyahang interest payable. Na siya interest expense, dapat siya interest payable. Kaya diba, pag nakay-utang naman siya na interest expense. Okay. Okay. So, 100,000 times 3. Asam ng 3? Ay no, mag-una sa tasa sa iyahang 7% annual interest. So, therefore, na siya 7% annual interest. It is a 7%. So, ano siya? Annual. So, 1 year for 1 year. Okay, 100,000. Kung ano to ang 7% sa 100,000. So, times 0.7 or 7% equals to 7,000. 7,000 times 3. Asam ng 3 gikan? October 1, November 1, December 1. So, that is 3 months. 3 months divided by 12. Asam ng 12 te? 12, diba, it is a 1 year note. So, meaning, 12 months. Sa isa ka year na ay 12 months. Okay. So, it is 1,750. So, sa 3 months, na interest expense niya from October 1 to December 31, iyang interest expense is 1,750. Interest expense. Interest payable. So 1,750 and 1,750. Okay, on letter C. Letter C, paid 160 cash to purchase a delivery van surplus on January 1. Okay, again on January 1. Let's take note of this. The van was expected to have a 3-year life. 3 years. And a 10,000 salvage value, the depreciation is computed on straight line basis. So, kani siya nung nakita naman nimo na naa siya'y solvation. So, again, unsa gito pagko sa depreciation, annual depreciation, it is on 160, which is ang 160 mo na siya ang purchase price. Paid 160 cash to purchase a delivery van surplus. So meaning mo na siya iyang purchase price minus the salvage value of 10,000 divided by the 3 years or the estimated useful life of the delivery van or the asset. So it is 50,000. So depreciation expense then delivery van mo na siya iyang apelyado always kung unsa jud iyang depreciation expense kay daghan baya jud o kanang depreciation expense. So para na jud siya asa man ni nga depreciation, asa man ni siya nga expense, so na siya madali mo ma-locate kung unsa na siya. Okay, then credit accumulated depreciation. Depreciation of delivery van. Actually, the accumulated depreciation is literally an asset, pero gina-deduct siya to get the property and equipment net. Depreciation of 50,000 and 50,000. On letter D. Letter D, receive an 18,000 cash advance for a contract to provide services in the future, and the contract required a 1-year commitment starting April 1. So it is a cash advance, therefore it is a revenue. But since, di ba, it is the accrual. Accrual, di ba, ni siya kay, di ba, it is recognized when it is earned. Dili man siya earned na naka-receive ka o kanang kwarta, but it is the performance or the services or the product is being transfer or performed to the seller. Okay, so letter D. So starting April, okay, mag-count ta. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it is 9 months. So 9 months. So 18,000. So let's get 18,000 times 9 divided by 12. Ate, asa ganitong, pila man to, 18,000. Ate, asa man to gikan tong, 9 months. Again, starting April 1. April 1 to December 1. Again, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it is 9 months. Okay, 18,000 times 9 divided by 12 or the 1 year since it is a 1 year commitment. Okay, so 13,500 at the end of the December 21, 2018, our unearned revenue is 13,500. So therefore, debit unearned revenue, credit revenue of 13,500, credit 13,500. Letter E, purchase 6,400 of supplies on account at the year end. 750 of supplies remained on hand. So that is remain on hand. So kanin siya na part, i-deduct nimo ang 750 on 6,400. Why? Because 750 is on hand and your purchase 6,400. So i-deduct nimo ang imuhang 750. 600 400 minus 750. Therefore, ang imuhang supplies expense is 5,650. Supplies expense and supplies of kay dapat manggod ang imuha ang mabilin sa imuha or ang mabilin kay Christine Gamba Cargo is 750 na lang iyahang supplies. That is why we deduct the 6,400 to 750 kay ma-appear ni siya sa iyahang sa worksheet. Ang iyang supplies is remain 750 na lang since it is the on hand. Okay, let's go to letter F. Letter F, invested 90,000 cash in a certificate of deposit that paid 4% annual interest. The certificate was acquired on May 1 and carried a 1-year term to maturity. Okay, on letter F, since we are the one who invested, we have a interest receivable. We have interest receivable at the same time we have interest revenue. Kay di ba if mag-invest ka sa company or sa bank, kay di ba naman yun na siya interest. So if ever nga na kay interest, so that is your interest receivable plus your invested cash, and also it is a revenue to you. So before, sige, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it is 8 months. Again, it is acquired on May 1 or you deposited or the Christine Gamba Cargo invested on May 1 and it is a 1-year term to maturity. Okay? So 90,000 times 0.4 or the 4% times 8 divided by 12. So that is our interest receivable and interest revenue. So letter F, interest receivable of 2,400 credit interest revenue. Okay, last but not the least, in letter G, paid 78,000 cash in advance on September 1 for a 1-year lease on office space. So it is a prepaid rent. So it is deferral under the deferral. So it is a 78,000. So nagbayad siya at on the month of September 1 nagbayad siya og prepaid rent, but since nag-adjusting entries naman ta sa December 31, so therefore it is already an insurance at same sa letter A. So ito, so September siya nag-acquire, September, October, November, December. So i-recognize na to ang rent expense for the 4 months beginning in the month of September. So 78K. 78,000 times 4 divided by 12. So mo na iyahang rent expense. 26,000. 26,000. Okay, 26,000. So letter G. Rent expense of 26,000. And we will deduct it to the prepaid rent of 26,000. So that is how to journalize and answer the adjusting entries. It is very simple, and the only thing you need to do is to read the problem, read the months. Never forget to recognize the months, and at the same time the percentage if ever there is a percentage, and if ever it is a 1 year or 8 months lang ba siya, so you need to think it, kay dili man siya always na 1 year, pero there are a lot of times na 1 year jud siya, kay baganahan mo na ang mga businesses and company of a long-term investment and also prepaid mga advance payment, because kay para wala sila ibero nun, kay para mahimo na lang ang uban na lang gasto nun, kay katong ilang mga cost, silang materials, silang factory overhead, silang direct labor, and etc. So that is how to record the adjusting entries. I know it is very hard, but honestly it is one of my favorite lesson, kasi dali lang siya kay ano lang siya nimo, adjust lang ka, and after this imo na siyang i-post sa imuhang worksheet or the columnar para imuha na siyang adjusted trial balance na ka, and after that is the statement of the financial position. So see you on the next lecture. Bye.